Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our channel, Simplified Quran and Arabic classes. Inshallah, today we are going to go through practicing huruf, which we call them letters, and harakat, which we call them vowels. So in Arabic, do not forget, letters are called huruf, and one is called harf, okay? And harakat are the vowels, and one is called harakah, and also it has another name which we call it SHAKL or ASH-KAAL. In Arabic, we names two in their singular and dual and plural form, okay? One, two, or many. So harakat is many, huruf are many, okay? Therefore, inshallah, let's jump into the first one. Okay, we're just doing a practice. Okay, remember, this is alif hamza with a fatha. We said this is a. Alif hamza with a dhamma, u. Alif hamza with a kasri, e. A, u, e. So we said we're just practicing. So we'll go through the first line just the way they are. Okay. A, u, e, u, a, e, a, e, u, a, e, u, e, u, a, u, e, a, e, u, e, a, e, u, e, a, e, u, a, u. So inshallah, the way we read the first one is the way we are going to read the rest of it, and this video is going to be a little bit longer. Okay, so inshallah, please bear with us. And the main goal for you or for anyone who is learning is for you to be able to read this as fast as possible, and whenever you see it, you click it. A, u, e, u, a, e, u, a, like that until the end. If you're able to do that, I promise you, you're good. Let's go to the second line. Ba, bu, bi, ba, bu, bi, ba, bi, bu, ba, bu, bi, ba, bi, bu, bi, ba. So after practicing like this, you have to be able to read it as fast as possible, like this. Ba, bu, bi, ba, bu, bi, ba, bi, bu, ba, bi, ba, bu, bi, ba. Like that. So inshallah, that is the way we are going to be practicing it. So inshallah, make sure you're good, okay? Remember, it's easy. Just the more you practice, the more it becomes easy, okay? Inshallah, please, I urge you to do that. Let's go to the other one. Ta with a fatha ta with a dhamma tu, ta with a kasri ti. Therefore, ta, tu, ti. Ta, tu, ti, ta, ti, tu, ta, tu, ti, tu, ta, tu, ta, ti, tu, ta, tu, ti, tu, ta. Tha with a fatha, tha with a kasri, thi, tha with a dhamma, thu. Therefore, tha, thi, thu. Tha, thi, ثو ثا ثو ثي ثا ثي ثي ثو ثو ثا ثا ثي ثو ثا ثي ثا ثو ثا ثي ثو. Let's go to the other one. Jim with a fatha ja, Jim with a dhamma ju, Jim with a kasri ji. Therefore, ja, ju, ji. Okay. Ja, ju, ji, ja, ji, ju, ja, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, ja, ji, ju, ja, ji, ju, ju, ja, ja, ji, ji, ja, ju, ji, ja. Okay, let's go to the other one. Ha with a fatha, ha. Ha with a kasri, hi. Ha with a dhamma, hu. Therefore we have ha, hi, hu. Ha, hi, hu. Ha, hi, hu. Ha, hu, hi. Ha, hu, hu, hi, hi. Ha, ha, hi, hu, ha, ha, hu, hi, ha, hu, hi, hi, hu, ha, hu, hi. Okay, as we go to the second half, please make sure you are able to read them, because if you cannot read the first page, the second one is going to be tricky for you. So please, I urge you to do as much practice as you can. Okay, watch the video again and again. Please make sure you tell other people about our channel. Please subscribe, share, and like. Okay, let's go to the other one. Kho, kho, khu, khu, khi, khi, kho, khu, khi, kho, khi, khu, kho, khi, khu, kho, khu, khu, khi, khi, kho, 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 khi, khu, khi, kho. Okay, let's go to the other one. Dal with a fatha da, dal with a dhamma du, dal with a kasri di. Da, du, di. Da, du, di. Da, di, du, da, da, di, di, du, du, da, du, di, du, du, di, da, da, di, da, da, do, di, da, do, di, da, di, do, da, di, do, do. Okay, let's go to the last line in this page. Then we have ذال with a فتحة ذا, ذال with a كسر ذي, and ذال with a ضمة ذو. So we have ذا, 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 ذي, ذي, ذو, ذو, ذا, ذو, ذي, ذا, ذو, ذي, ذا, ذا, ذي, ذي, ذو, ذو, ذا, ذو, ذي, ذا, ذو, ذي, ذا, ذي, ذي, ذو, ذو, ذي, ذا, ذو, ذي, ذا, ذي. Inshallah, as we continue to the other side, please make sure you're good and everything is as easy as it might be. Okay, then we have ra with a fatha, ra, ra with a dhamma, ru, ra with a kasri, ri, ra with a fatha, ra, ra with a dhamma, ru, ra with a kasri, ri. Therefore, ra, ru, ri. Now let's continue. Ra, ru, ri, ra, ri, ru, ra, ra, ri, ri, ru, ru, ra, ra, ru, ru, ri, ri, ra, ru, ru, ra, ru, ra, ru, ri, ri, ru, ra, ri, ra, ri, ru, ri, ru, ra, ri. Okay, let's go to the other one. Za with a fatha za, za with a dhamma zu, za with a kasri zi. Za, za, zu, zu, zi, zi, za, zu, zi, za, zi, zu, za, zi, zu, za, za, zi, zi, zu, zu, za, zu, zi, za, zu, 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 zi, zi, za, za, zi, zu, za, zi, zu. Okay, let's go to the next one. Sin with a fatha, sa, sin with a dhamma, su, sin with a kasri, si. سا سا سو سو سي سي سا سو سي سا سا سي سي سو سو سا 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 سو سو سي سا سي. Let's go to the other one. Shin with a dhamma, shu. Shin with a kasri, shi. Shin with a fatha, sha. Shu, shu, she, she, sha, 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 shu, she, sha, she, shu, shu, she, sha, sha, sorry, she, shu, sha, she, shu, shu, sha, and she. Then let's go to the other one. Sa, صاد with the fatha, sa, صاد with the kasri, si, صاد with a dhamma, su, sa, si, su, sa, si, su, sa, si, su, sa, sa, si, si, su, su, sa, si, su, sa, su, si, sa, and su. Then we have ضاد with a fatha, ضا, ضاد with a kasri, ضي, ضاد with a dhamma, ضو, ضا, ضي, ضو. So we have ضا, ضي, ضو, ضا, ضا, ضو, ضو, ضي, ضي, ضا, ضو, ضي, ضا, ضو, ضي, ضا, ضي, ضو, ضا, ضي. Inshallah, I think I'm going to stop here because I know you're tired. I'm going to finish the second half, inshallah. It will be the second part of the fathas, inshallah. See you then. Ma'asalama. Please make sure you like our page, comment and share with other people. Ma'asalama.